Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Brooklyn. If you already know, hey boo, welcome back. So today we have a wig from UNice. I believe I'm saying it right. Say UNice. Okay, so this is, I believe, if I get it wrong, I'm gonna recorrect myself on the screen, but a V-part wig. So that's where, let me show you guys first. Okay. So this is like that. So basically you will leave some of your real hair out at the top, and you can do the sides as well. But this is a wig that you can put on and take off yourself. It has no lace on it. You have combs, you have the band, and then you have the adjustable one at the bottom. But yeah, it just clip on. Your real hair be left out right here. So I have a model coming today to model this. I don't have all the exact information, so everything will be linked in the description box. But this is the wig. It's super beautiful, super shiny. Smells like human hair. No chemical. Yeah. Everything smells good. This is so beautiful, and I'm so excited for this. So if you want to see how I installed this, stay tuned. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And let's get into it. So right now I'm just getting her part where I want it. And this is just me doing a leave out process, and then I'll go into the breakdown. Okay, so since this is my first time doing one of these wigs, I actually like part out, and then I was taking the wig to, you know, kind of match up to make sure I wasn't going over, and I still went past what I was supposed to do. So her hair was already braided. The extra hair that was taken out for the leave out, I just put it underneath the wig. I'm still learning how to do the placement for the braids for this. Okay, so I just fast forward to her hair already being braided because, you know, it's repetitive. But this is me trying the wig on and realizing that I like messed up with her leave out part. So now you don't have to do braids with this. She had a lot of hair, as you could see from the beginning, so I did braids. But I told her if she was comfortable with doing a ponytail at home, you know, just slick it back into a ponytail if you can, and that'll be comfortable for you. But this is just me kind of like looking at the leave out, measuring like how much I need to take out and where I need to take it out, whether it's from this side or from the back part. So that's what you guys will be seeing me do. So as you guys can see, this part that I'm clipping away is what's actually going to be the leave out. So all the hair that's not clipped up is literally going to just go right underneath the wig and get smoothed out. And it actually was comfortable for her. I made sure that it wasn't too tight. I just didn't like how I was pressing down on her head, but she was perfectly fine, she said. So now after we get the wig put on, I'm going to make sure like everything is looking right, and then you guys will see how I blended her natural hair with this wig, because at first I actually didn't think it was going to match. So like I was a little worried, but her hair actually did end up matching. And I hope you guys aren't disappointed that this is like a short video, or like I'm not, well, I am talking, but like, you know, I clipped out a lot of parts because it's literally the same thing. This isn't a wig that has any lace or anything. So if she would have came already braided, or if her hair was short enough, it literally would have been a ponytail and then putting a wig on. So that's why the video is not long. If you don't like videos like this, or if you don't like videos where I do voiceovers, just let me know so I could change it, because I don't want to be putting out things that you guys don't like. So just let me know if you like these kind of videos. Even if you like these kind of wigs, I could get more of these wigs to be able to show on my channel. But you see, I'm just using just mousse. It doesn't matter what kind of mousse you use. You just make sure you saturate her hair real good, because as you can see, her hair was blown out. So that's what I'm doing. You do mousse or water, but I just felt like mousse was better. So now I'm just kind of like taking my fingers to, fluff her hair out, give it more volume. Like, I just didn't want it to look perfect. I want it to be like as if she just got out the shower, she just left. Like, it's just cute. So this is just literally me styling. I just did something simple with her baby hairs, because like I said, this is supposed to be natural, and I'm just using the mousse on where I feel like I needed to add more at. So that's literally all I'm using is mousse, and I use Eco Styler for her edges. I really didn't even need to use Eco Styler. I could have just used water or the gel, because her hair texture is very, very pretty. But those are literally the only two things that I used. So you see the look that it's given now, it's because I took the Eco Styler, like a handful of Eco Styler, put some mousse, and I raked it. You see me literally taking like pieces, like how people shingle the real hair. That's what I did with her hair, just without twirling it around my finger. Just, kind of like keep everything together, just hoping that it doesn't separate when she leaves. But I like literally mix both of them and put that throughout her hair. You see, it helped it a lot better. So when you're doing hair and it comes to blending natural hair with leave out, you just have to figure out what's going to work for your client. So either your client can let you know what products does what to their hair, or you could take just like a strand to, test it out.